Hello and welcome. Today's recipe is an easy one that brings back lots of childhood memories and I hope you enjoy. To start off, we'll melt 1 tablespoonful of butter in a non-stick pan. You can also use any vegetable oil of choice. Next, we'll pour in the condensed milk and mix to combine. We'll also be stirring continuously to prevent burning at the bottom. As the milk starts to bubble and thicken, we'll add about 1 teaspoon vanilla essence or flavor of choice and keep on stirring. After about 10 minutes, you'll notice that the milk has changed in color and taken up a solid form. We'll keep on stirring until the color changes to a light brown toffee color. To get a soft toffee, we can stop here, but I'm aiming for a hard toffee, so we'll keep on stirring until we get a light brown color. Now we'll transfer onto a wax paper or baking sheet and press it down to give it a rectangular shape. Also smooth out the rough edges with the side of a knife. We'll leave it to cool down a bit before cutting it into our toffee shapes of choice. Doing this quickly before the toffee cools completely as it hardens as it cools. And here you have our irresistible delicious toffee sweets and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share with a friend. I truly appreciate. See you in the next video. Bye bye.